Are you tired of people telling you not to touch things during this COVID pandemic? Well, today I'll be showing you how to make a pen sanitizer. With it, you will be able to push buttons and also open doors. Let's get started then. Okay, so for this, you're going to need some scissors, a sponge. If you don't have a sponge, you can use cotton, a pen of course, and some liquid sanitizer. First, we're gonna open the sanitizer from above, remove the grip if it has one, and also remove this part. So we have a refill and a spring. Both of these items we are not going to use, so we keep it aside. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the sponge, we're going to cut the sponge, and place the sponge in this, the upper lid. So we're going to just press it in so that you have some space to put it back to this. So you're going to press it with the body itself, and I'm just gonna screw it in like that, just like it was. Okay, now if you want, you can also put some sponge. I'm just gonna cut it out. You can put some sponge inside this too. Okay, so we're just gonna twist it and press it, twist it and press it, twist and press, twist, press. Okay. Once it's completely in, you can press it with this, so it is fixed inside. Now all we're going to do is so we don't need this. If you want this, you can put it. So I'm just gonna put it like that in, and next what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some sanitizer. Now this is a big bottle, so I'm just gonna spray it in. Okay, so we're gonna put it on the opposite side, so just like that. So you can see the sanitizer is falling a bit. That's okay, we can clean it up. Okay, so once it's in, you pour a lot of sanitizer in it, and you just need to switch it up, just like that, and your pen sanitizer is ready. Thanks for watching.